Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is part 2 of our makeup tutorials. So this one you get to vote on who did a better makeup.
So what we're gonna do is in the first video, she did the makeup on me, and now in this video we are going to switch. So let's get started. So first I'm going to take this palette. It's the Night palette, and I'm going to take this round brush, and I'm going to take this color right here.
Sort of like gold, I think. I'm not exactly sure. Okay.
And now I'm going to take this white.
Sort of like a palish thing to make it blend. I usually use this for canvas, but you could use it for either way, really.
So now I'm going to close this up, and I'm going to go on to this palette. I'm going to take my little touch-up brush, and I'm going to put it in here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to brush it on here and touch up the eye. And then I'm going to take my blush, and I'm going to use this color. You know, wrong color. I'm actually going to use this color right here. You want to make sure that actually the color gets on the brush, because sometimes it won't really.
Yeah, once I did it and it just didn't work for a while.
So now that was our tutorial, and show them up close.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
So now, write in the comments down below, who do you think did a better makeup job? Me or her? Don't forget to subscribe.
And make sure to
Bye.
give it a big like. Bye.